G'day all. Today I have three things to show you. First up is the unofficial Maymod and other Steam Forum coffee mug that I had printed up years ago. This is a nice little memento that I have in my steam room. Secondly, I have my workshop kettle, which I've just finished boiling. Put some hot water in there. And the third item I have is this nice Aero. Just try and show you the label down here. You might zoom in on there. It's a low temperature differential Stirling engine made by Aero in Germany. If you can read that. Very nicely made these are. It's a fair bit of weight to it actually with the aluminium. It's cast aluminium here, brass, very fine drive shaft going down into what looks like sandwiched foam, and the piston there is aluminium. Alright, we'll put this up on top of the Maymod coffee mug. I'll count to 10 and we'll see how we go. I think it goes this way from memory. Come on. Okay. Maybe I should have counted to 15. No, is it going to go? Oh, here we go. Third time lucky. Gave it a bit more oomph then. Okay, I think we have her running now. A little bit different from a flame Gulper and a little bit different from a steam engine, but something nice to have, something nice to look at. Don't ask me to explain the science exactly behind how these work, because I would fail you. Or I should really say I would fail myself, because I would not be able to explain it. It's picking up a little bit of speed now. Lots of these are made in the Far East. Quite cheap. They still run really good. I've got some that run really nice. Not exactly as smooth as this Aero, but this was a lot more dearer. But the ones from China, Hong Kong, I think there's a lot coming out from Malaysia. They all run good, and they'll just run off a cup of hot water. They do run off ice. I've never run them off ice yet. I've never actually tried that. But from other videos I've seen on YouTube, they will run off ice. I think from memory, if I'm remembering right, they run in reverse if you put them on ice. If I'm wrong there, I'm sure someone will correct me and give me the right oil there. Okay, there we have it. A Aero low temperature engine. If you get the chance to bid on one of these ever second hand on eBay, or even new off German eBay, or off the anywhere that you see one, I'd say grab it if it's at a good price. They're just nice. Nice to show people, something quick. Nothing to clean up after you run them. Just empty your cup, or even put a tea bag in your mug, or a spoonful of coffee. Bit of milk if that's what you have. And put the engine back on the shelf and enjoy a cup of coffee and sit back and relax. Alright, I've done enough talking for this one. Hope you enjoyed that, and as always, thanks for watching.